I've had a significant meeting. I've sent the power email. They missed the next step. How often do I then reach out to them? I mean, I had it so it was like call, then wait a week, and then push it to 9 day. But I feel like it needs to be sooner than that, like maybe every other day.
Be careful with every other day. Because for us, we think it's so much, and maybe I'm just getting really old, but time flies by. So unless there's a perishability to the deal, like Chelsea is in an every other day world because they're going to hire somebody else, right? Or they're going to find a different, right? But if your deal can sit, I'd be really cautious about every other day. I like once a week. But yeah, here's what I want you to play around with. Because most of your deals are the same, yes? You're solving the same problem. Yeah. So let's figure out unemotionally what this cadence needs to be, and then let's stick to that cadence. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.